Hello and welcome to the Blender Barbox channel. Today we will be applying materials and texture to a phone design. We'll try to create the screen effect you see here, and I'll show you how to add a video to your screen, and also we'll apply materials to the body of the phone, and also we'll look into how we can apply materials to the phone camera with a glass effect and different things. So this tutorial is a continuous part of an earlier edition, which was part 1 in the series, which was about the modeling. So if you want to model the phone yourself, you can go back and watch part 1 of this series. I'll put the link in the description section, and you can practice the modeling part. So to apply materials and texture to this, we can get started with just applying a basic color or whatever you want. Select the phone, go to materials, and then new. I will name this phone material. So this will be the starting point. You can choose the color of your liking. In my case, I'll go to some kind of blue. Let me go to the material view. Alright, it's only applying to this one. Let me undo this. Okay, before I proceed, one thing I want to mention: if I rotate this, the camera and the casing are not in sync. Here you can't see, so we need to add this one. Let's parent them. Control P, parent to object, keep transform. Okay. Now select the phone, material. Okay, I'll choose some kind of blue. Right, but I want to decrease the lower value of saturation. Maybe this one also. Okay, I'll make it metallic. Maybe I'll bring down the roughness a little bit. So usually I prefer to use this one. Yeah, now it's looking good, it's looking better. Now this is a clean material now. Okay. I think that's fine. Now let's go to this part. We can assign same material also. Okay, let me rename this phone. Okay. Now I want to make the inside part black. This part and this part. add new material. Then assign. Okay. So maybe for this one also, as a starting point, I'll assign the black material. And let's work on the lens first. Okay. I want to select only the lens part. Try again. Not exactly. Maybe I should make it smaller. Yeah. Now I want to add a new material for this. I'm gonna call it lens. I'll still make it blue maybe. And roughness will be 0. Transmission, yes. Blend mode, alpha blend, shadow none. Okay, let's see what happened. Oh, okay, what? I must have missed something. I didn't assign this one, so I should click assign. Yeah, now it's looking good. It's a little bit too blue. Maybe I'll bring down the saturation a little bit down. Yeah, now it's better. Okay, so the same way I want to apply the same thing here. My hands are a little bit shaky. Okay. Assign. Alright, now we are done with the lenses. In the adjacent parts, you can give these different colors if you want. But for now, I'll leave them at this. Okay, the next part is to add the covering glass. So to do that, let's go to edit mode, go to line, and I want to select the edge part. Okay, now duplicate, Shift D, then P for separate by selection. Okay, now I want to select the line, go to edit mode again, select it, press F to fill. I for insets. Let me extrude this. Don't go down too much. You don't have to crash into the lenses. Just somewhere here, it's safe. Okay. We can change this needs to be a glass, so let's bring in another material. So roughness is 0. Transmission, yes. And blend mode, alpha blend. Then none. Okay. Sign. Oh, one thing I forgot. Alpha, I should bring this down so that we can see the lenses inside. And I'm gonna name this glass. Okay. Okay, it's looking good. It's not too fancy, but it will do. Maybe I'll bring down up the alpha value. Yeah, something like this. All right. I think we are done. Everything looks in place. Okay. Now what's left is a screen. So let's go to the front view. Okay, now this is a screen. Select it. Go to edit mode. Select to surface mode, select this one. Also, I want to select this part. Okay, so this is our screen. Let's apply material. I want to apply new, and let's apply the glass. Sign. All right. Now the screen is transparent, only the glass is applied. You can see the inside parts that we made earlier. Okay, but now it's time to add a screen underneath where you can put your image or video as a screensaver. So select it and then go to edit mode. I want to add a screen below this screen. So what I want to do is this part. Okay, now I have selected the lower parts all around it. throughout the whole object. Okay, now press F to fill. Now a screen has been added below this screen, and we can assign a new material for it. Let's call it screen and assign. Now you can add an image or video to this screen. For that, let's change the surface from principal BSDF to emission. Now it's ready. You can go to the color tab and select the image texture, then open. You can add your image or video. In my case, I have prepared my video file which I downloaded. You can use any video you want. Okay, now it's added, but still the video is not playing. For that, we need to UV unwrap it. Press U, then Smart UV, then OK. Okay, now you can see the background image. This is a video file, but it's not playing yet. If I press play, nothing happens because first I should go here and adjust the frames from 1, this for instance 200, and make sure cyclic and auto refresh are checked so that it can play on repeats. Now if I press spacebar, the video is playing now. Now you have a cool background for your phone. So congrats, you have modeled the phone and you have put in a nice cool screensaver. If you want to edit this, you can open another window like this and go to UV editor, then choose your background. Make sure you are in the edit mode. So for instance, you can rotate this to adjust the orientation, or you can scale this up or down depending on your preference. So just play with this one. Alright, so looks like we are done with adding materials and textures to our model. Oops. Okay. So this is all about today's about the image texture thing. Now next time I want to do another video on this about how we can animate this, like for if you are looking for like to make this for a product design or something like that. So next time I'll prepare a video on how to animate this for a nice presentation. So this is all I have for today. I hope you like it. Please, if you enjoyed the video, please make sure to like and subscribe the channel, and I will see you next time with another video, with another tutorial. Thank you for watching. Take care.